This is item number AFK-427, a Weld-On pulley bracket for a 4.5-inch pulley made of 1/8 thick steel sheet metal. These are raw stampings, meaning they need to be deburred. So they're sharp corners. You can break the corners using a file on the inside. These are unfinished and ready to weld in place. 3/8 holes are stamped in to match the mounting holes in the pulley. The overall dimensions is 5 1/8 inch on the height, 4 3/8 of an inch on the width, and the thickness is 1 1/4. These 3/8 mounting holes, which are on both sides so that you can mount the pulley, are 2 7/8 from the base to the center. This bracket will shroud any 4.5-inch pulley as long as it's the correct dimensions. You can buy a pulley from us. This is AFK-216, which is listed in our pulley category page alongside this bracket. This pulley needs to be 4.5 on the outside diameter, 3/8 bolt hole diameter. The hub width of the pulley, which is shown by this caliper with long reach jaws, needs to be a 1-inch nominal size. Typically a 3/8 by 1 3/4 bolt is used to mount this pulley. You just simply insert, put a lock nut on the other side. There you go. Mounted in place. The contour of the bracket for a 4.5-inch pulley matches perfectly, as you can see. These are usually welded on and then painted, but they can also be bolted on instead of welding by drilling holes in the base of the pulley bracket itself, usually a couple of holes, perhaps the same size as the bolt hole, 3/8 of an inch. And you can use wood screws to mount to framing. If you're mounting this pulley in a garage ceiling or on a wall or something like that, or if you have a metal frame, you can drill holes in the metal frame and use regular bolts to mount the pulley bracket. Keep in mind that the pulleys or mounting hardware are not included. There will be a link in the description that leads directly to this product if you want more information or to place an order. There will also be a link to the category page that covers pulleys and brackets, including this version of a bracket and pulley if you need something smaller. This is a 3.5. If you are interested in this 4.5-inch pulley that matches this bracket, watch this video.